Lesson 0. Trial. Hi, this is a trial lesson of the King of PowerPoint presentation course. On it, I will show you how the learning process in my course works. For a trial lesson, I took a neutral slide background and bright pictures. I tried to make the lesson information as simple and easy to understand as possible. In a trial lesson, I will show you how to insert pictures and add animation. I will not include a lot of comments in the lesson. Watch, learn, memorize. Everything is very simple and understandable. I hope you enjoy my lesson and you will study my course. After completing my course, you will be able to make fantastic presentations. You will easily make PowerPoint presentations at a high professional level. Now we will take a blank slide and fill it with pictures. Insert pictures into the slide template. Click on the picture icon, select a picture from the computer disk. You can take your pictures from a data cloud or other data source. Prepare slide pictures in advance. Keep them in separate folders for each slide. This will help you work quickly and comfortably with a large number of slides. We quickly inserted our pictures. Now let's check how our slide looks. Now consider a situation where we need to change the view of a slide. Delete the pictures from the slide. Use the key Delete. Insert other pictures from a separate folder with files. Following my instructions, everything turns out quickly and easily. Now let's change the background. Let's insert a picture into the background. Let's make it 90% transparent. Let's process it using the built-in grayscale filter. Let's look at our new slide. Let's add animation to our slide. Select objects with the cursor. At the same time, hold down the Shift key. Let's apply a fly-in animation effect. Then let's experiment with directions of movement. Let's choose the spin effect. We will consistently apply it to objects. With the help of an animation painter, we will apply effects to objects one by one, as we need it. Select all objects in the animation pane. We use the cursor and the Shift key. Let's animate the exit, and change the time for disappear effect. In my course, we will study all the main functions of the Microsoft PowerPoint program. We will learn how to change fonts, their size, color, and much more. We will learn how to insert pictures and videos into presentations and work with them, add various effects, transform and much more. We will learn to change presentation designs and color themes. We will learn step by step how to make transitions, animations, slideshow. We will change the settings of the PowerPoint program. As a result, we will learn how to make great presentations. Thanks for your attention. Let's move on to the next lesson.